Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a absolutely gorgeous Sea Ray 260 SLX stern drive. You can see the Sea Ray blue with the white gel stripe. We have the classic dune interior. When I think Sea Ray, I think tan interior and Sea Ray blue. SLX styling. We have a power stainless steel windlass up front. Plenty of storage, power top above my head. This articulates down, stays level. Absolute gorgeous boat with trim tabs, infinity carpet, sea deck on the swim platform, submersible swim platform. This boat's powered with a Mercury Seacore 350 horsepower Bravo 3 engine. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous boat. Come on down to MarineMax and let's check out the boat.